Hello and welcome guys. In this short and basic video today, I will show you how to adjust tab spacing in Microsoft Word. So very simple way, just right click and here you have to select paragraph. Now in this bottom line, just click on tabs and here you will see some settings. You can change alignment, leader, and here is the setting default tab stops. So in my case, it's 1 centimeter. You can increase or decrease like 11 centimeter. Then click on OK. Now just press tab like this. Press tab. So thanks for watching.